Midea General to take immediate action to mete out appropriate sanctions to Mr. Smart. This will not serve as a deterrent to others, but will enhance public confidence in the media organization as an organization that detests unprofessional conduct. In West Africa, Ghana is the oasis of peace, and this needs to be gathered at all costs.
Afeti, shawotu abama MPP awe abua. I want to repeat this statement. The ticket of Baumia Napo, wotu abama wama wo ya abua. Unimu nyansa, wadwen da fam, ye tietia so, apecheno, apro, asai. And yes, I win any pow, we any pa me do, me boo, me ni so, me condo, na emomuno, we yes, sir, say obindo on maya, on yenipa, or quasia. Say obindo on maya, on yenipa, or ye beast, abo.
Obiaye campaign, Captain Martin Kwankwaye campaign, na de asemaba. To the extent say, GGA4 a serious meeting at the Manise Midea General for and sanctioning. Now, Yunia Bema Captain Smart have responded, but the secret about one thing. We should enter message in the more. Subscribe my page, you name me a domanso. Send me upload Biansona, unsa able to make up. Ebusia Kremuni, Obiani, Mebra Penny, Captain Smart, the Midea OD, anyhow, or born home or day war, the Midea Odimo. Captain Smart is a presenter, and as a matter of fact, there are so many things Captain Smart etumiye na Captain Smart kasa etwasum na ekwechire. Na when GJF any other media bodies atras ya hwe ne Midea odi any nansi kase bia oka na mo hwe mo se no the way Captain Smart kasa na anhwa obetumi de tokwa abagana fi so mo se ye wo campaign ye ankofo edia rewo ebisu ediyawo enti atmosphere no a charge deda enti say presenter bi and journalist bi ba bontina say wan hwe ne kase here maybe they might incite a coup and I say people will be misled by their information to cause harm. Enti GJF and other media bodies Asia say they want to put this thing to check. Senebeya obi be jina bontino the information bi ba bontina the information we ba bontino should be well checked and should be sanctified. Say information when they about Bontino, any information a bet send crofo amamodi bone, and a bet send crofo amamodi and some money.
Midea General to take immediate action to mete out appropriate sanctions to Mr. Smart. This will not serve as a deterrent to others, but will enhance public confidence in the media organization as an organization that detests unprofessional conduct. In West Africa, Ghana is the oasis of peace, and this needs to be gathered at all costs. We stress the point that the media industry plays a critical role in ensuring the protection of national peace and security. We therefore urge all to conform to the tenets and standards we have set for ourselves in ensuring that everything we do is in conformity with the laws of the country and the ethics of our profession in order not to plunge our country into needless chaos as happened in Rwanda 3 decades ago. We must also be guided by the fact that we are fast approaching the general elections in December with the political atmosphere already charged. Therefore, it is important to be sensitive to the fact in these times the least incitement could lead to an explosion. We must jealously guard the peace we are enjoying as a nation. The GJGIBA Print Park Media Foundation for West Africa, a new media association, therefore caution all journalists, media practitioners, and media organizations to be cautious of their utterances and reportage on their platform to save the country from slipping onto the path of violence with its attendant consequences. It is important to note that this caution is not a gag on the right to free expression, given that there are decorous means and avenues for journalists and citizens to express their opinions loud and clear. I want to assure you all that we remain resolute in our defense for media freedom, and that requires us to also champion media professionalism. We'll take this opportunity to also caution the media on the need to fact check. Recently, we were embarrassed by the third event emanating from one Chef Smith reportage. We want to take this opportunity to advise all the media that henceforth, apart from corporate bodies, political parties, and identifiable groups, any persons or group of persons that invite the media for a press conference, editors must do well, need to carry out background check to ascertain their veracity before they assign. We remain resolute once again in our defense for media freedom, and will do everything to rise against anyone who wants to gag the media. May God bless our nation, Ghana, and continue to make her great and strong. Thank you.
Now, meeting we course no. And a DJF no ede ntroye ama media general biso I want Captain Smart yejuma wo say omene nkasa na the way a osifa kasa no obetwe asan na ne kasa ye no ede nkabom eni odobeba na we SACK Captain Smart are responded na as a matter of fact ensure the bowa kase bo men kase peto so
yasi anra jonfo ne gibane ayefo koshiaye say omo kwako preach about hate speech, and they specifically mentioned you. Omo a press conference nimu. It's answer no men you was someone what it was saying
you did kind of I mean show you let me share with you. Now one more invitation letter now at 25 days, other media houses, and here number one. Dan 7 or Moka farming for no. Maccabi. And Madofu Visual Premier Cabin send the Academy. Na movie will be our interview. A branch here. John for a car no ye Juma I think I FM go ye na in the course over on the Mutiji president Matidi on also a car antibate.
I was saying what tea from John 4 Aya Obian and Waka Sasem no. How do you feel?
Yeah, did it kind of? Everyone was said, send Ghana and Central Jumakuno. Any day, say na it be for one single broadcaster. A press conference. Mamenda Yamiase, Ndame Mamene me papa. We say, and then more you no more you Kumase Bankai. Then I say, no, me, I'm the most important person in this country. That the whole GJA, Ghana General Giba, Ghana Independent Broadcasters Association, West African Foundation, Media, newspapers, new printers, the Writers Association. We could share invitation flag for more year invite media houses, no. Specifically, Captain Smart and I topic, no. Now, me who are they, no? I am in you, you the kind of back they toss them, you know. Concept be no more year, no. And a member of me, meaning I say, on mine, you're on mine, you're political party. And Obian see Obian fine over your NDC, over your MPPD. Nobody can stop anybody. Because Ghana 1992 Constitution, no, it talks about freedom of association. And it will be penal and oko. And Obi soon to me, shall Obi say, on to Abama Bobi, Wabra Nipane Pese, or to Abanama Captain Smart. Will be better automatic.
It was a
Me Maka, and I am repeating that me NDC me. Intimate to Abama NDC. But me, December 7th, 2024, I will vote for John Dramani Mahama. I said it. September 2016, I told the whole world that I will vote for His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. 2020 elections in September, I was at Angel. I said I'll vote for Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. And I am saying that this year, whether Mahama will win or whether he will lose, it's got nothing to do with me. My only thing is that I will vote for John Dramani Mahama. Who will be our permanent? Dia. Maybe I make on debate. It's as simple as ABC. And then Crawford meeting with Jubilee House, and I'm being specific. Say me, baby, a tangent that may call. Woman say me MPP. Na baby, a massive free na may call. Me fa coin this wa. Emma Mahama Lucy 2016 election. Now the same tangent na may call and sha me Mama Lucy. And when we meeting on we Jubilee House, somebody from within the Bible catch me. And may catch GJA give Banum Penny for a year press conference and say information I mean from Jubilee House and say I'm almost 213,000 Ghana cedis.
Oh, Captain, how?
Oh, some of them may information I'm at American.
How? 200. John Fordham J 213,000 Ghana cedis.
Information I mean from meeting that one can call you with Jubilee House or a year we are a fair woman. So press conference or Captain Smart. They were paid 213,000 Ghana cedis. Now
13,000.
Well, as to where there will be the fuel, there will be the toll and Katia Bogo. So I know I have no idea. This is the information I have. So they should come and tell the whole world, say,
I see.
Ane, Ejampa, Ane, Enyampa, no one with yes, sir.
So, Pacha said they took money to execute an agenda.
To do that against me. Because in any case, though, when I did the measuring can, it's the measure ethical journalism and professional journalism. When I measure, when I had the judge, or measure ethical journalism and then professional journalism. People have said West States in this country. Midea no me to be a press conference for him. Yesterday, Napokan and say about Sergeant for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. You know very well, sir. Napoka say NDC for Kwakuyi candidate. Omukoyi candidate aba. Omenye ni papa pia nkoyi number to say John Dramani Mahama. When was that video? No. And we are GJ president. We are Giba president. We are whoever. Now a former president of the land, Sebia Bruce Sebia Nyado, say, or no, why I said them pa. What to be Bonting as a minister of state, catch and say, Ebinimu Koyi or more candidate, or when to be any papa Bia in Jidan Pamba. What is the definition of the papa? Somebody who was a former president. Now, catch and say, now, and no dear, TJ for who says newspapers over. Or man who say, to be a press conference. I not to tell me, Midea. Get to come and you come here. Say, some is a phone can say, I can push out before I'm moving with you. Let GJ Nikruma. Not give a Nikruma. Press conference, man, over here. Oh, my press conference here. They say, I'm say, there are a lot of radio stations, TV stations, presenters are, but so crying to be in Tramoka. If you crack it, you back and bear 1 year, June 4 year away. I don't know, June 4 year home press conference. Seeking the interest of one association member, maybe a member of Ghana Journalists Association. That will be the very last association that we are seeing my joining. Let's join me that. GJ, me whom fast will be a what GJ is what. As I said, me Coco join GJ. Me who so fast will be a. Number 2, newspapers are working on ego. They can't even print. I did political newspapers and they to be printing stories and the newspaper industry is collapsing, including daily graphic as I know Kazekran, and as many as India, a daily graphic of Asaka. They think we don't know. We know. I know the DJ president's name keep up for the one can move here. So, to me, I have press conference for home. They say, I know Kazay. Petrol boy is saying, as compared to years back, Nipa bread, a comedy Nipa, and the DJ phone here. Adriana boy a day. People are suffering, people are dying. DJ and give an one yes, on press conference for home, drawing the attention of government. Say, this is what is happening in society. Then a more yafa youth unemployment, a cost will crew you. Youth in Yajumania, and maybe bread will crew you. A common thing for another DJ is who yet. So say Yamano there are nurses every school from 2020 based now in Okase, Omodatifi. Teachers be every training college, Omodatifi, including doctors are buying a casadom for Ukraine. Co-training women as medical doctors, no, they are still sitting at home. Medical doctors imposing on, and the DJ say, and they keep a 40 train 114 packers, a 114. Almost say women who which is they can't organize any press conference. Drawing the attention of government. My brother, let me say this. You see, this useless, senseless, bogus, colloquial, monarchical mentality, it's about time. Yenina as of minor will rise up against it. Say Yanesa, Yabet now Samaniama Ajin Samon, Nebedu Babino, Yen Yabebre. Say Yameno Cassi, and then say Yameno Cassi. Issues are what grand necessary at general, and more money to be quality, with the things we say, and no GDA voting. Issues are Cassia, and then if it is true, you went to do what? Take 213,000 Ghana cedis to organize a press conference about me, Captain Smart.
No, but Captain, do you think Obiti Sajun for or your Chrome Force also Obeji 213,000 Ghana cedis?
Nipa no bomb man no Jubilee House. Say you join the Yashisha Mobi. And like I wrote in my
Facebook response.
They are doing their paymasters bid. They are doing their paymasters bid. Sentisa Minia may a presenter of Krumha. Say yes, be a QB car. You say, when your story cry on the AGJ for the president. Yes, when your story, I said, we see actually there will be some years, and so I publish it, and I'm a one.
Yeah.
It is a way a presenter, we are journalists. Now what's here? Now we call broadcast it. That's when we say no man who should boom now for ya then away. You tell car by sir.
I say almost wa o say the obi obeto abama MPP bia ya aboa.
Oh, nega. Say aban wo ho. Na aban enye sika over $77 billion in just 8 years. Now there's nothing to show her.
Captain Smart, baby Ojina, any GJ for any other media team, you almost no. I think say Utieti Obia fan, it seems like Obia you're right. Because Utieti for no more children say Kasebi or Honomoa a honte. It is a media platform, you bet Jina was say, Ombe Kaka Sayebia, Elfo Bo, any Biakoye Emma. Nessa Nipano, I was saying the Casa, if you say Ghana phone na 8 Ghana phone na with GDA who say information you better want no information e ho bete information e beti ma boa o mining punto benya information e man krofo be se mo akonfo ana man krofo twese kan na mo de awo wo mo ho nti wotie na wodwen wo sakwan we so a be wonu say it makes sense from there afa wotie ye bra pani Captain Smart so nchire mu ode ba ono so chire mu say obi a woni fa ho die say oye campaign ma party bi oposo any campaign ma no no de what they say obe vote ma NDC enti na dofo won ka ne ho no muntu aba emfa ma NDC enti so mo ne nya adwen a ohun die enti a o mo ne nya adwen na as a matter of fact o ma gi ne ho bribe and say no mo yes meeting no bebusunya obe ka say Captain Smart be ka say nipa bi obeto abade ma MPP bia no no oyaboa sa kase we na mpenifu no gina so say eye kasefin eye kasa emboa oman kanko eye kasa ebu nipa bem Itakebea on train sign nani programs are oye no on fra hontoma. Ebusia mess also do adwen chere ebeto abonten said there ye mpani fo ikafa Captain Smart on eye and our response are Captain so there abonten no and also eye anase ye. Na fini di mu a subscribe my page ni mi adoma no so. Se na me upload bia so na mo se betimaka.